So I'm riding a bike out to some salt flats, and as you can see, this road is very, very uncomfortable, especially with that for a seat. My ass cheeks, they hurt. Ow. Oh no, oh Jesus fucking Christ. Finally made it. Now you might be wondering, what is this place? Well, Instagram pictures makes it seem like it's you know, these beautiful salt lakes and that a bunch of people go swimming around in. When the reality is, it's a job site to extract salt. And then goofy tourists like myself go, wow, the water's so blue and amazing, and I want to go there and get my Instagram photos. But still, I don't know, it's cool. Although, you know, it is literally like a salt mine job site. But I'm going to ride around and find some smaller pools. Now this part fucking sucks. God damn, this shit's sharp. Yowzers. Alright, onward. Whoa. Sounds like I'm gonna fall through. Look at this one. Whoa, fuck, I did fall through. Interesting place. It's obviously not living up to the Instagrammable photos. Probably because I can't find like the smaller pools. Everything's kind of like, I don't know, like really big and dug out. I don't know if there's a spot for just like the small pools that look really cool. But these bigger ones are kind of like, yeah, whatever. Here we go. Here's like a very, very small one that I for sure need to wash my feet off in now. Oh, Jesus Christ! Ugh, let's get a view of that. Fucking hell. Oh man, that was the opposite of what I wanted to do. I wanted to get that off now. Alright. I finally found one I like. So I think I'll hop in this one. Go for a float. Whoa, this is weird feeling. This is super weird. There's so much salt that it just pushes you up. That's pretty cool. Jesus, like it's a lot of salt. Like it's hard for me to try to push myself down. Ugh. Like even trying to stand, it's just like making me a buoy, you know? Oh, yeah, this is quite nice actually. I like this. Should I do it? God damn. Let's talk about this place. I guess, is it worth it? Well, don't ride a bicycle out here like I did. I think there's one bike shop in town. The seat is basically a brick, and the roads are pretty bumpy. And then once you get here, I mean, I knew in advance that this was not like some amazing oasis, that it was actually, you know, like a salt field or whatever, and they, you know, have tractors and semis and dumpsters out here, so I was aware of that. So with that being said, don't expect there to be any signs that are like, oh, this water hole's this way or this water hole's that way. You just kind of, for me, I just ride around until I find something cool. But I'm sure if you come out here with like the motorcycle taxi people or a bus or something, they probably know, I don't know, the better holes, I guess. And they'll probably take you to them. But once you get here, it's just free to swim around. We'll see how that is in about 5 to 10 years. This place will probably be turned into some water park or something like that they charge 20 bucks to get into. In conclusion, I'm horrible at these. Is it worth it? Yeah, sure. Come check it out. Just do it with like the tricycle taxi. Going out to the salt swimming pools was cool, but I should not have taken a bicycle. This fucking seat is just fucking ridiculous. I kind of want to just fucking throw this bike right there and just walk the rest of the way, because this thing's a big sack of shit, really. Oh look, bam, 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 bam. Fuck you. Tomorrow I take a bus back to Cairo. That will be 12 hours. So I really don't need like a sore, bruised ass the day before I sit on a bus for 12 hours. Anyways, salt pools were cool. I very much need to go hop in Cleopatra's pool because the grit of all the salt on me is real funky. Anyways, back to my journey. Oh, this is nice. It's very nice, but everybody's staring at me. Like, what the fuck is this guy doing here? It's nice to get all that salt off me though. Holy shit, that was starting to burn.